the TNT fires, blasts this TNT, which explodes over there. So let's get into it. So first, you place this here, 2 blocks here, and then I have. You also need lots of TNT for this, because this is a TNT cannon. Now you place these blocks here. You can make this as big as you want. So you need at least 3 observers. I'm making the smallest version for you. You can make it bigger, but just to know, the bigger it is, the more it has to delay. So that's something you have to think of when you're making your own. So now I do this. I run this redstone here. And then I want a delay of 12 ticks, which is basically 12 ticks is 1.2 seconds, because each tick is 1 millisecond. So I'll just that will be 4 redstone repeaters, 3 of them set to max setting, and 1 of them set to 2 ticks. The default value is 1 tick, just saying, if you get messed up. And last but not least, take your water bucket, and now you're basically good to go. All you need to do, load in your TNT, like this. And now you have it. You have your TNT cannon. Now, please remember to smash like down below, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. I'm out. Bye.